Building demolition and wrecking is a sector that's grown and become increasingly specialized in the past 10 to 15 years. Excavators with specially adapted cabs, demolition units, as well as a host of hydraulic tools have become a precondition for rational and successful demolition and sorting work. Hydraulic hammers, cement cutters, steel cutters, sorting grabs, magnets and general-purpose buckets are among the most commonly used tools of the trade. With traditional quick couplings, operators need to leave their cab in order to manually connect the hydraulic hoses when changing attachments. This rather messy and time-consuming job takes some 10 to 15 minutes to complete. It isn't surprising then that hydraulic attachments aren't changed as often as they should be. Using Oil-Quick system, the operator can change hydraulic attachments from the driver's cab in just 10 to 15 seconds. In this way, the right attachment always gets used for the right job. Used correctly, Oil-Quick will normally lead to a 20 to 50% improvement in efficiency. Another widely recognized problem in demolition work is damage to hydraulic hoses on excavators and other equipment, which leads to machine stoppage, oil spills, and considerable costs for hose replacement. With Oil-Quick, the hoses on the units are drawn tight, which minimizes damage and greatly reduces repair and stoppage costs. With a minimum of moving parts, the couplers can also be used with strongly pulsating attachments. The quick couplers are spill-free.